Phosphocreatine system is a chemical reaction and takes place in the cytoplasm. These reactions are very quick. This is because PC is stored in the muscle cells. This means there are very few steps needed in the reaction. The fuel used in phosphocreatine system is creatine. 120 grams of creatine is stored in our body but mainly in our muscles. The enzymes which control the reactions are creatine kinase. One molecule of ATP gives one molecule of phosphocreatine. There are no harmful byproducts that is going to cause fatigue. The exercise type which uses phosphocreatine uses high intensity exercise for short periods, example a high jump or kicking a ball. The phosphocreatine system will only last for 8 to 10 seconds. The lactic acid system chemical reactions take place in the cytoplasm. There are very few reactions in this reaction, therefore ATP is provided quickly. Glucose, which is found in carbohydrates, are stored as glycogen and are used for fuel. Glycogen is stored in the muscle and liver. The enzyme which does the controlling is phosphorylase. This is how glycogen turns into glucose. PFK, which converts glucose into pyruvic acid, and LDH, which converts pyruvic acid into lactic acid. 2 molecules of ATP are produced in this system. The byproduct of this system is lactic acid. This is because the reduce of the pH of the muscle cells, which makes it more acidic. This prevents the enzyme from functioning properly. Exercise that uses this system are high to medium intensity exercises. This can be from as low as 10 seconds to as high as 2 minutes of energy. The site of the aerobic system is in the cytoplasm and mitochondria. The speed of the reaction is not too fast. This is because there is a requirement of oxygen, which means ATP cannot resynthesize immediately. This is because of the delay in oxygen while being transported from the lungs to the working muscles. The fuel used in this system is glycogen, which is found in carbohydrates, oxygen and also fats. The enzymes which does the controlling is the same in the lactic acid system, phosphorylase. This is how glycogen turns into glucose. PFK, which converts it into glucose into pyruvic acid, and LDH, which converts pyruvic acid into lactic acid. 38 molecules of ATP is made by 1 molecule of glycogen. Stage 1, which is glycolysis, makes 2 ATP. The Krebs cycle makes 2 more, and stage 3, electron transport chain, makes 36 ATP. The byproducts of the aerobic system is carbon dioxide and water. The system cannot provide ATP at a high intensity due to its stages it needs to go to provide oxygen to the muscles. This means that this is for long-lasting exercise, the type which would last for hours.